4 items needed. Hey beautiful people, and welcome back. Today I am making banana ice cream, and for this recipe you will only need 4 items: bananas, milk, honey, and essence. Before you let your bananas go bad, try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Start by peeling the bananas, then slicing them up into smaller pieces. Once sliced, place them in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours or overnight. Transfer the frozen bananas to a blender, then add milk, honey, and mix essence, which can be substituted with vanilla essence. Blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. You may need to stop and scrape down the sides of the blender. Once the mixture is smooth, you have the option of serving the ice cream straight out of the blender, but it may be soft and runny. Today, I am using an electric ice cream maker. Pour the blended mixture into the maker and let the magic begin. Leave it running for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once completed, scoop and enjoy your homemade banana ice cream. Store the remainder in the freezer. If you do not have an ice cream maker, transfer the blended mixture into a loaf pan or airtight container. Cover and freeze for at least 4 hours or until firm. Feel free to customize this recipe by adding your favorite toppings like chopped nuts, chocolate chips, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you will be trying this delicious banana ice cream recipe. Share this video with your friends, family members as well. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until next time, take care of yourself.